Hello and welcome back to the channel. So recently you saw us unbox and fit what was in here, which is the front splitter for the GR Yaris. And today we've got a new box. It's a little bit smaller, so we'll have to see what's inside this. So let's find out. So let's get into this and see what we've got. Wow. Wow. So we've got an envelope and two of these. So I think you know what those are going to be, so let's find out what this is though. GR4 badge and the GR Yaris in like a chrome black. So at the moment these badges, like this one for sure, is chrome on the back and looks a bit out of place. So these will be a nice addition. They come with adhesive already on them and some detergent wipes to clean it down. So that's going to be there. Now let's see what's in these long ones. I think you can probably guess by looking at them, but let's get them open. So I've got the first one's layers off, so I'm just going to get through this. Wow.
Wow, it looks great.
Wow.
Wow.
Quality is amazing. Right, I'm just going to go and get the other one out and then we'll have a closer look. Wow.
Wow, you're so dominant.
So I hope you enjoyed that first look and unboxing of these Automotive Passion side skirts. These will match the front carbon lip that we did a couple of episodes ago really well. So if you want to see these get fitted, then I suggest you subscribe because it will be a video coming soon. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, perfectly okay. Give it a thumbs down. Just let me know I can do it better in the comments. And until the next time, we'll see you then.